I'm William Borgo from Quality Cheese, Operating Manager. Fourth generation of our company is from dating back to Italy. My father grew up as a farmer, and his father taught him cheese making. During the war, they survived, using their milk, neighbors' milk, everything. In 1950, I believe it was 1957, they started in Orangeville. And the dairies had to go to the farms to get the milk. The farmers came together in 1965 and created their marketing board, co-op, Dairy Farmers of Ontario, and no matter where you made cheese in Ontario, it was the same price. So he sold that venture in '88, and we bought a smaller dairy. So to be in this business, you have to have a milk quota, and you have to have a dairy license, and you have to be certified specialist in dairy food science because of health and food safety. These are regulated through the CFIA.
I'm Sean Nolan. I'm Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Quality Cheese. Food safety at Quality Cheese is our #1 priority. We have a strong food safety program through our SQF program. We also have a very strong food safety team, right from our milk receiving to our finished goods and our packaging.
Our products are sold across Canada in major supermarkets and distributors. Currently, Quality Cheese is producing over 20 tons of cheese a day.
We generally support our retailers who are more heavily invested in the e-commerce world. E-commerce may mean that you have different sizes of product that you sell to that market, whether it's a snack cheese or a bulk cheese. Our quality is high. It all starts from our milk, from our dairy farmers. It's our main ingredient. That allows us to be very versatile in the products that we deliver to the market.
Quality Cheese has a large range of products from hard cheeses to soft cheeses, cream cheeses, and snack foods. We have 2 large processing facilities. One's basically right now Italian, and the other one is basically French cheese and some Italian soft cheeses. Our main supplier for packaging is Reiser Canada. Currently, we're working with Terry Reese from Reiser Canada.
I'm Terry Reese with Reiser Canada. I'm one of the regional sales reps in Ontario.
He brings a great service, great options, great pricing.
Reiser Canada is involved at the plant level, at the machine level, with not only our production team and our maintenance team on important points or critical points on equipment that need to be cleaned for our health and safety, our food safety program.
They have a great service, great prices. The machines are very versatile.
I first met the Borgo brothers back in 2007, the 3 brothers who currently run the family business, and they had a need to package a fresh mozzarella chub. So we were able to win the confidence of the Borgo brothers at that time and sold them a Raypak RE20/4 to do this particular product here. This is the room where the magic happens. Over the background there we have the Raypak RE25, which was packaging the stracciatella cheese.
It's a mozzarella cream that's being dosed into 250-gram packages. The Raypak RE25 is very versatile, especially when it comes time for labeling, and then we can also do different die cuts for cutting. It's very versatile, it's an extension version, more room to load. Based upon the success of that first installation, we continue to support them with their production. As the business continued to grow, they felt confident working with Reiser on several other projects. So they have a smaller Varivac machine which they use for doing 2-kilogram blocks of paneer and mozzarella. Also with our VMAG line of equipment, we're now portioning fresh ricotta into thermoform pouches. Yeah, they're fantastic. The operators love working with them. They're easy to clean and easy to maintain for health and food safety. They also have a SuperVac GK501B with an AT8 shrink tank. They use this for vacuum packaging large blocks of cheese in shrink bags. And also we're able to provide them with a Holak CheeseMax 200, which is a very versatile machine that does both shredding and dicing. Right here we have the Holak CheeseMax 200, which is the cheese shredding, cheese dicing machine. We also have a Sidelman bowl chopper for grated cheese. This is the HMI right here, and then behind me is the actual bowl chopper itself. This bowl actually rotates, and the knives chop everything in suspension. So we're going to take these blocks of cheese that you see right here, and we're going to put them into the machine. It's going to size reduce them down to a grated texture and blend them at the same time. So the whole process takes about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes tops. And this application would be for food service or industrial applications where they need grated cheeses. All the training for these machines was done locally with service techs and everyone operating. Quality Cheese loves service. If we buy equipment, we want to make sure that we have service. It's half the buy, right?
We've been able to not just supply them the equipment over the last 17 years, but support them as they grow. And that's been very, very important for the Borgo family, and very, very important for Reiser as well.
Having one supplier with many various products is an advantage. The guys know where to go for service and they know where to go for support.
Quality Cheese is a quality manufacturer for starters, and they're gaining a lot of market share because of their product quality. More and more people are coming to them, asking them for different products, different types of packaging, different processes. We've been able to prove our worth to them by supporting them, keeping the equipment running, and coming up with different ideas.
These rigid packs are very versatile. We're able to pack sliced cheeses. We're able to pack fluid products, creamier mozzarella cheeses. Consumers love these products, that you can open them up easy and reseal them after.
We have easy open packaging, we have snack packaging, snacks that are good for kids but also adults. We have very few ingredients in our products, so we consider ourselves a healthy choice for consumers.
This idea we had together with Reiser, we made it reality. It is easy to feel, look at that. As the company's grown, we had to do more volume, more capacity, and try to keep that product still very traditional so the consumers were well aware that it's still an artisan product. And that's where Reiser comes in for us.
You can see from the range of packaging that we do have that Reiser is very influential on the products that we bring to market.
Reiser comes through in a crunch when we have a product that other customers need right away. They'll come in, we'll discuss the machinery, the formatting, the tooling for the equipment. We're constantly innovating, we're constantly expanding the plant, we're constantly trying to reduce our costs to provide the best, freshest, affordable cheese in Canada.
We're hoping to be flexible for the working family and through convenience and a good quality product. And Reiser Packaging Equipment helps us deliver on all our key initiatives.
It's a relationship between two family businesses, the Borgo family and the Reiser family.
Reiser Canada would be one of our main suppliers for packaging in the future. They've grown with us over the last 17 years.